This is CompTIA Security Pro 4.4.5 and we are going to create OUs. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You have just installed Active Directory on a Hyper-V guest server named CompDC. Now you need to create an Active Directory organizational unit structure based on the company's departmental structure. In this lab, your task is to create the following organizational unit OUs on the CompDC server and ensure that each is protected from accidental deletion as follows. Beneath the CompTIA.local domain, create the following OUs: accounting, admin, marketing, research, the dev, servers, support, workstation, sales. Within the sales OU, create the following OUs: sales manager, temp, sales. So let's get into this. So we'll go to Cop Server. From Cop Server, we want to start up, and let's go to Tools. Then we'll go to Active Directory and Users, and CompTIA.local. Then we scroll down till we get to New. We'll go to New. Under New, we want to go to Organizational Unit, and then we're going to start creating Accounting. Accounting is created. Repeat the same process. Scroll down to New, then go to Organizational Unit, and we're going to create admins. Then we click OK. We repeat the same process. We want to go to right click, go to New, and scroll down to Organizational Unit, and we'll type marketing. Click OK, and go to CompTIA.local and New, Organizational Unit, and research-dev. Click OK. Go to New, scroll down to Organizational Unit, and we type in servers. We click OK. And repeat the same process here. CompTIA.local. We want to go to New. We want to go to Organizational Unit. Go to Support. CompTIA.local. Then Alter New. Organizational Unit. Then we'll go ahead and type in workstations. Click OK. So we are going to repeat the same process. Go to New, scroll down to Organizational Unit, and type in sales. Click OK. And what are we doing next? Within the sales OU, create the following OUs: sales manager and temp sales. So we go to the sales. According to our tags here, you go to sales, right click, and go to New, and let's move this down so that you can see the options clearly. So go to sales, go to new, and organizational unit within sales, and we start with sales managers. And you're welcome. You can also copy and paste all of these to save time, but I prefer typing it out. So sales managers, go to sales, go to new, and scroll down to organizational unit. I want to type in temp sales. Then click OK. I think that is all the tasks in this lab. Let's see, is there any other thing we need to do here? Okay, I guess we're done. In the absence of any other thing, we'll go ahead and score lab and see how we do. Alright, so everything is 100%. If you find this video helpful, you can reach me through my email, join my professional membership so that you can have access to more videos within TestOut Lab. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.